Imagine gazing up at the sky and seeing not one, but two suns blazing down on Earth. The sheer brilliance and intensity of such a sight would be both awe-inspiring and overwhelming. This isn't just a scene from a science fiction novel, it's a captivating thought experiment that invites us to ponder the vast possibilities of our universe. It's a captivating thought experiment, a what-if scenario that sparks our curiosity about the universe and our place within it. How would our daily lives change? Would we need to adapt our routines, our technology, and even our understanding of time itself? What would happen to our planet, our seasons, and life itself if we orbited two stars instead of one? The very rhythm of life on Earth, from the blooming of flowers to the migration of animals, would be altered in ways we can only begin to imagine. In this cosmic ballet, Earth's very existence would hang in the balance. The gravitational forces at play would be immense, creating a delicate dance that could either sustain or disrupt life as we know it. The gravitational pull of two suns would create a complex and dynamic system far different from the stable orbit we know today. This dual-star system would introduce new variables and challenges, making our current understanding of planetary orbits seem simplistic by comparison. The length of our days and nights, the ebb and flow of our seasons, and the very fabric of life on Earth would be rewritten. Plants and animals would need to adapt to new patterns of light and darkness, potentially leading to entirely new ecosystems. Let's embark on a journey of cosmic exploration and delve into the hypothetical scenario of Earth existing within a binary star system. This journey will take us through the realms of astrophysics, biology, and even philosophy as we explore the profound implications of such a reality. We'll examine the scientific implications, the challenges and opportunities it would present, and how life as we know it might adapt to this extraordinary celestial dance. From the potential for new energy sources to the impact on our climate, the possibilities are as vast as the universe itself. In our current solar system, Earth enjoys a stable orbit around the Sun. This orbit is nearly circular, allowing for consistent seasons and a relatively stable climate. The Sun's gravitational pull keeps Earth in this predictable path, which is essential for maintaining the delicate balance that supports life. This stability is crucial for life as we know it. The consistent distance from the Sun ensures that temperatures remain within a range that allows water to exist in liquid form, a key ingredient for life. But with two suns, things get complicated. The presence of a second star would introduce additional gravitational forces, disrupting the delicate balance that currently exists. The gravitational pull of two stars would create a celestial tug-of-war, pulling Earth in different directions. This constant battle between the gravitational forces of the two stars would make it difficult for Earth to maintain a stable orbit. Earth's orbit would be far more elliptical than it is today, resembling an elongated oval rather than a near-perfect circle. This elongated orbit would result in significant variations in distance from the stars, leading to extreme changes in temperature and climate. We would experience periods of extreme heat as we swung closer to the suns, and periods of freezing cold as we moved further away. These drastic temperature fluctuations would make it challenging for life to adapt and survive. The stability of our orbit would depend on several factors, including the mass and distance of the two suns. If the stars were of similar size and mass, their combined gravitational forces could create a more complex and less predictable orbital path for Earth. If one sun were significantly larger than the other, Earth might find itself locked in a stable orbit around the more massive star, with the smaller star orbiting further out. This scenario could provide a more stable environment, but it would still be vastly different from our current situation. Alternatively, Earth might be ejected from the system entirely, flung out into the cold vastness of interstellar space. This would be a catastrophic event, rendering our planet uninhabitable and ending life as we know it. Our current seasons are a result of Earth's tilt on its axis, but with two suns, the concept of seasons would be dramatically amplified. The combined heat from two suns would create scorching summers far hotter than anything we've ever experienced. Conversely, winters would be brutally cold, with temperatures plummeting far below freezing. The length and severity of these seasons would depend on Earth's position in its orbit. The transition between seasons would also be more extreme, with rapid shifts in temperature and weather patterns. These drastic seasonal changes would pose significant challenges for life on Earth. The familiar cycle of day and night is governed by Earth's rotation on its axis. With two suns, however, this cycle would be disrupted. We could experience periods of constant daylight, with both suns illuminating the sky. Conversely, there would be times when one or both suns would set, plunging Earth into darkness. The length of these periods would depend on the relative positions of Earth and the two suns. If the suns were close together in the sky, we might experience shorter days and nights with rapid transitions between light and darkness. If the suns were farther apart, we might see longer periods of daylight or darkness, with more gradual transitions. This constant shifting between light and dark would have a profound impact on life, affecting everything from plant growth to animal behavior. Section 5. Life finds a way. Life on Earth is incredibly diverse and adaptable. From the deepest oceans to the highest mountains, life has found a way to thrive in every corner of our planet. The sheer variety of species and ecosystems is a testament to the resilience and ingenuity of life. Over billions of years, it has weathered countless challenges, from ice ages to asteroid impacts. These events have shaped the course of evolution, forcing life to adapt and evolve in remarkable ways. Natural disasters, while devastating, have also paved the way for new forms of life to emerge. The question of whether life could exist on a planet with two suns is a fascinating one. Such a planet would experience extreme conditions, with intense heat and light during the day, and potentially freezing temperatures at night. Yet the adaptability of life makes it conceivable that organisms could find ways to survive and even thrive in such an environment. It is conceivable that life could adapt to the extreme conditions of a binary star system. Plants and animals on Earth have already shown incredible resilience in the face of harsh environments, from scorching deserts to freezing tundras. This adaptability suggests that life could potentially evolve to cope with the unique challenges of a planet with two suns. Plants might evolve to tolerate intense heat and radiation, perhaps developing reflective surfaces to deflect excess sunlight. These adaptations could help them conserve water and protect their tissues from damage. In a binary star system, such evolutionary innovations would be crucial for survival. Animals might become nocturnal, venturing out only during the cooler periods of twilight or darkness. This behavior would help them avoid the extreme heat of the day and reduce their exposure to harmful radiation. Over time, these nocturnal creatures could develop unique adaptations to navigate and hunt in low-light conditions. The oceans, too, would be a different place. The interplay of light and temperature in a binary star system would create unique challenges for marine life. The surface waters might be warmer and more turbulent, while deeper regions could remain relatively stable. Marine life would need to cope with fluctuating temperatures and potentially higher levels of UV radiation. These conditions could drive the evolution of new protective mechanisms, such as UV-resistant skin or specialized pigments that shield against radiation. However, life in the oceans has proven remarkably resilient throughout Earth's history, and it's plausible that new, specialized forms of marine life could emerge in a binary star system. The adaptability of life is a powerful force, capable of overcoming even the most extreme challenges. Section 6. Lessons from afar, binary star systems. While the idea of Earth orbiting two suns is hypothetical, binary star systems are quite common in the universe. In fact, it's estimated that more than half of the stars in our galaxy are part of binary or multiple star systems. One well-known example is Sirius, the brightest star in our night sky. Sirius is actually a binary star system consisting of a main sequence star, Sirius A, and a faint white dwarf companion star, Sirius B. By studying these systems, astronomers can learn a great deal about the dynamics of planets orbiting multiple stars. These observations provide valuable insights into the potential habitability of planets in binary systems and help us refine our understanding of how planetary systems form and evolve. Section 7. Climate chaos. With two suns, Earth's climate would be in a constant state of flux. The combined heat from two stars would lead to higher global temperatures, intensifying the greenhouse effect and potentially making Earth uninhabitable. Weather patterns would be extreme and unpredictable. We might experience more frequent and intense hurricanes, tornadoes, and other severe weather events. The jet streams, which play a crucial role in regulating Earth's climate, would be disrupted, leading to further climatic instability. Droughts might become more common in some regions, while others experience torrential rainfall and flooding. The delicate balance of Earth's climate system would be thrown into disarray, with potentially catastrophic consequences for life as we know it. Section 8. Humanity's response. Adapting to a binary existence. If humans were to exist on an Earth with two suns, our civilization would be vastly different. We would need to develop technologies and ways of life that could withstand the extreme temperatures, radiation levels, and unpredictable weather patterns. Our cities might be built underground or in climate-controlled environments, shielded from the harsh conditions on the surface. We might rely on renewable energy sources like solar power, harnessing the abundant energy from our two suns. Space exploration and the search for other habitable planets would take on a new urgency. Understanding the dynamics of binary star systems would be crucial for finding new homes for humanity among the stars. Life with two suns would be a constant challenge, but it would also foster incredible innovation and resilience. Section 9. Conclusion. A new perspective on our place in the cosmos. The idea of Earth with two suns is a thought-provoking reminder of the vastness and diversity of the universe. While it's unlikely that life as we know it could exist under such extreme conditions, the possibility remains a source of fascination and speculation. By exploring these hypothetical scenarios, we gain a deeper appreciation for the delicate balance of our own planet and the remarkable adaptability of life. It underscores the importance of continued scientific exploration and our quest to understand the cosmos and our place within it. As we continue to explore the universe and discover new and wondrous worlds, we can only marvel at the infinite possibilities that await us. Perhaps, somewhere out there in the vast expanse of the cosmos, life has found a way to thrive under the glow of two suns.